So I'm gonna put a speaker jack in here. Make it a lot easier to direct record or use other cabs. I already checked for voltage, so it's safe in here. I'm using smaller drills to build my way up to a 3/8 inch. That's the size I'm gonna use for the hole. Body of the amp is like a soft material, so the chassis is really a much better bet here. Filed metal edges away. Previously wired a jack to it. Positives going up the 2-pin, negative off the chassis. Time to button it up. Previously changed the baffle and the back panel to plywood, as well as a 10-inch speaker hole. It's a 1956 Rolla speaker. The video song, guitar and bass were recorded on this amp through the direct plug into a load box. Really handy feature.